Good morning, children. Today let us start new chapter 3, addition and subtraction. There are four main operations in maths. Those are addition, subtraction, multiplication, and the last one is division. So these are the four main operations in maths. These are the four main operations in maths. These are the four main operations in maths. Today let us do additions. Okay. Today let us do addition. Do you know what is addition means? So addition means finding the sum of two or more numbers by combining them together. Okay? Addition means finding the sum of two or more numbers by combining them together. 3 plus 4 is how much? 7. So 7 is called sum. So addition means combining two or more numbers to find the sum. Addition means combining two or more numbers for finding the sum. Here plus is the symbol for addition. Plus is the symbol for addition. Okay. Plus is the symbol for addition. For doing the addition, first you have to write the places. Now I am going to add the numbers 13,935 and 34,856. Now I am going to add these two numbers. For adding these numbers, first you have to write the places. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s. This number is starting from 10,000s place. So first I have to write the places. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands and 10,000s. After writing the places, you have to arrange the numbers in columns. After writing the places, you have to arrange the numbers in columns. 13,935 and 34,856. After arranging the numbers in columns, you have to place the symbol of addition, which is plus. The symbol of addition is plus. You always have to mention the symbol of the operation which you are doing. Otherwise, you can't know which operation you are doing here. Okay, compulsory you have to mention the symbol for the operation. So, after arranging the numbers in columns, you have to start addition from ones place. You have to start the addition from ones place. Now, 5 plus 6 is how much? Take 6 fingers. 5 after 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. So 5 plus 6 is 11. You have to put 1 down and carry away this 1 to the tens place and carry away this 1 to the tens place. Next, 5 plus 3 is 8 and 8 plus 1 is 9. 5 plus 3 is 8 and 8 plus 1 is 9. After adding the numbers in ones place, you have to add the numbers in tens place. So after adding the numbers in tens place, you have to add the numbers in hundreds place. You always have to start addition from ones place. After adding the numbers in ones place, you have to add the numbers in tens place. After adding the numbers in tens place, you have to add the numbers in hundreds place. 9 plus 8 is 17. 9 plus 8 is 17. Put 7 here and carry away 1 to the next place. Put 7 here and carry away 1 to the... Put 7 in the hundreds place and carry away 1 to the next place. Next, 3 plus 1 is 4 and 4 plus 4 is 8. 3 plus 1 is 4 and 4 plus 4 is 8. Okay. After adding the numbers in thousands place, you have to add the numbers in 10,000s place. 3 plus 1 is 4. Okay. So here, the first number is called added 1. The first number is called addend 1. And the second number is called addend 2. And the answer we got is called sum. Did you understand, children? The first number is called addend 1. The second number is called addend 2. And the answer we got is called sum. Okay, children, this is the way of doing the addition. Now, we can check our answer. We can check whether we have done the correct answer or not. Now, I am going to show how to check your answer after doing the addition. Okay, children, after doing the addition, you can check your answer. Okay, now I am going to show how you can check your answer. Okay, children. So I am writing the answer once again. So this is called addend 1. This is called addend 2. And the answer we got is called sum. Now I am going to show you how to check your addition. I will show the method of checking the answer of your addition. Okay. Check the addition. Check the addition. So, for checking your answer, what you have to do is, you have to subtract addend 1 from the sum. You have to subtract addend 1 from the sum. So, thousand, 10,000s, thousands, hundreds, tens, ones. Here the sum is 48,791. Here the sum is 48,791. Now I am going to subtract addend 1 from this sum. Now I am going to subtract addend 1 from this sum. Okay. So this is sum. I am subtracting addend 1 from it. I am subtracting addend 1. I am subtracting addend 1 from it. Okay, let us subtract addend 1 from it. So when you borrow, 1 will become 11 and 9 will become 8. Because you can't subtract 5 from 1, I am borrowing from 8. So I am borrowing from 9. So then 1 will become 11. So 11 minus 5 is how much? 11 minus 5 is 6. Now 8 minus 3 is how much? 8 minus 3 is 5. Here I can't subtract 9 from 7. So 7 becomes 17 after borrowing and 8 will become 7 after giving away the borrow. Okay. Now 17 minus 9 is how much? 17 minus 9 is 8. 17 minus 9 is 8. Now 7 minus 3 is how much? 7 minus 3 is 4. Okay, children. 4 minus 1 is how much? 4 minus 1 is 3. See, children, what I got? Here I got the addend 2. What I got? I have got the addend 2. Did you understand, children? If you subtract addend 1 from sum, you will be getting the addend 2. If you got the addend 2 correctly, then your answer is correct. Your addition is correct. Did you understand, children? What I have done? I have subtracted addend 1 from the sum. I have subtracted addend 1 from the sum and I have got addend 2 and I have got addend 2. So I have checked whether my addend 2 is correct or not. So it is correct. So my answer, the answer of addition is also correct. Similarly, if you subtract addend 2 from the sum, you will be getting addend 1. If you subtract addend 2 from the sum, so the sum is 48,791. This is the sum. And if you subtract addend 2, that is 34,856 addend 2. If you subtract addend 2, then you must get addend 1. Here I can't subtract 6 from 1, so I will borrow. So 1 will become 11 and 9 will become 8. 11 minus 6 is 5 and 8 minus 5 is 3. Since I can't subtract 8 from 7, 7 after borrow becomes 17 and 8 will become 6. And 17 minus 8 is 9. 17 minus 8 is 9. Sorry, here it is 7. Sorry children. After giving away borrow, 8 will become 7. And 7 minus 4 is 3. And 4 minus 3 is 1. So here what I got? 13,935. 13,935, which is addend 1. Did you understand children? If you subtract addend 2 from the sum, you will be getting addend 1. And if you subtract addend 1 from the sum, you will be getting the addend 2. Then only your addition will be correct. Do you understand children how to check your addition? Okay. This is the way of checking your addition. Okay, now let us do practice zone 1 in textbook. Okay children, let us do practice zone 1 textbook, page 41. Now let us do practice zone 1 textbook, page 41. So the first question is add the following. Add the following. Okay children, add the following. Now let us do the first sum. First let us write down the places. After writing the places, arrange the numbers in columns. Okay. After arranging the numbers in columns, put the symbol for addition, which is plus. Put the symbol for addition, which is plus. Always start adding from ones place. 8 plus 9 is 17. Put 7 in ones place and carry away 1 to the next place. 7 plus 7 is 14 and 14 plus 1 is 15. Put 5 in tens place and carry away 1 to the hundreds place. 6 plus 6 is 12 and 12 plus 1 is 13. Put 3 in hundreds place and carry away 1 to the thousands place. 5 plus 5 is 10 and 10 plus 1 is 11. Put 1 in thousands place and carry away 1 to the 10,000s place. 3 plus 4 is 7 and 7 plus 1 is 8. Okay children, did you understand? Now let us do the B sum. First, write down the places. Okay, write down the places. Arrange the numbers in columns. Arrange the numbers in columns. Arrange the numbers in columns. Then place the symbol for addition, which is place. Start adding from ones place. Okay. 9 plus 3 is how much? 9 plus 3 is 12. Put 2 in ones place and carry away 1 to the tens place. 2 plus 2 is 4 and 4 plus 1 is 5. Now after adding the numbers in tens place, let us add the numbers in hundreds place. 7 plus 4 is 11. 7 plus 4 is 11. Put 1 in hundreds place and carry away 1 to the thousands place. 8 plus 6 is 14 and and 14 plus 1 is 15. Put 5 in thousands place and carry away 1 to the 10,000s place. 5 plus 2 is 7 and 7 plus 1 is 8. Okay children? Children, I have done 2 sums. I have done 2 sums. Remaining 2 sums you do for homework. Okay children? I have done 2 sums.